For over 20 years, telecommunication service providers have been using dense wavelength division multiplexing, or DWDM, technology to increase the amount of traffic they can carry on their optical networks. Originally optimized for metro network applications, Pluggable DWDM, XFP, and SFP Plus optical transceivers became a great way to lower infrastructure CapEx by transmitting multiple data links over a single fiber optics pair. Several years later, Wavelength-Tunable Pluggable DWDM transceivers offered significant operational savings by enabling network operators to source a single module part number supporting the full C-band instead of up to 96 different codes. This significantly reduced the sourcing complexity and the inventory required for sparing. However, when deploying and provisioning them into network equipment, field technicians still need to tune each transceiver to the right wavelength for each system port. This requires remote coordination with a network operations center, or requires a technician to bring portable tuning boxes and a laptop to set the wavelength of each transceiver in the field. Additionally, technicians also need to make sure they use a fiber jumper or patch cord to connect each tuned transceiver to the right channel port on the optical MUX/DMUX, which is sometimes not easy or obvious due to lack of fiber management or labeling errors. All of this means that setting up or provisioning a DWDM link with 40 transceiver modules or more could take several hours and be prone to multiple operator errors. Our solution to this problem is Flextune, our patented wavelength self-tuning functionality for optical transceivers, which can significantly reduce provisioning time and operating expenses when deploying DWDM networks.
Using Finisar patented technology, Flextune eliminates the need for technicians to track individual fiber patch cords and to set the wavelengths of the transceivers or carry around extra equipment to do so. Finisar transceivers with Flextune automatically find the optical path to the transceiver on the remote end of the link and tune themselves to the right wavelengths, and this is done in a true plug-and-play manner without any host system intervention or support required. Everything needed to perform the self-tuning is inside the transceiver. In this example of a point-to-point application using duplex DWDM tunable SFP transceivers with Flextune, technicians simply insert all the transceivers into any port on both ends of the link without tuning them to any specific wavelength, and then connect them with fiber jumpers to any port of the optical MUX/DMUX. The firmware contained within the transceivers then determines and sets the proper wavelengths to connect each one of them to the remote end of the link without any intervention by the host system or the field technicians. Up to 96 wavelength-tunable transceivers will automatically configure their wavelengths in less than 5 minutes, instead of requiring multiple hours using a more complex manual process which could be prone to human errors. This can result in significant OpEx savings in network deployment and provisioning for service providers using DWDM applications such as remote PHY, mobile front haul, and data center interconnections.
We are already offering our patented Flextune self-tuning functionality in both our duplex and bidirectional tunable SFP Plus transceivers, which are in production and available now. Visit our website for more information about the benefits of this feature, or submit a request to start using Flextune today.